This is Rob Howard. We're down at City College Birmingham. We're learning all about the new technology courses they got on offer. We're talking cyber security. We are talking drones, and my personal favourite, robots. Apparently it's not that kind of robot, but still. Courses start in September. I'm going to go and check it out. Right, so these are little Myros. They're like little pets. And you can stroke him and send him to sleep. It's very similar to what I do with my girlfriend. He's in. There we are.
We're good.
John's just showed me how to make an Ethernet cable.